Hello everybody, my name is Luis David Reta Montiel. I am a student of University Secar 2019. Today we go to talk about all my friends. The first law is, who's your close friend? How do you meet? Well, my best friend is Camila Bustamante, who is an extraordinary and cheerful woman. I met her when we were studying, there we live hard and happy moments. Well, the second slide is about my social medias. How many friends do you have in social networking? In social network, I have 1,299 friends. The third slide is, who were your friends when we were growing up? When I was younger, my friends were the children of the neighborhood where I lived, especially a girl named Natalie, whose size our childhood we studied together until high school. A friend who I share many fun moments with. A friend who cared for me, helping me feel good about myself. Today we are friends but not so close. Well, do you have any friends that have exciting life? Explain me. She is my cousin and also my friends. I admire her a lot. Her name is Liz Madera because has an excellent life because she is a woman who spends her free time walking around and getting to know different places. She is a surprising woman who has a clothing business where she spends a lot of time and interest to progress day by day. Finish.